What's up, everybody? I'm Boo Carlisle. Welcome back to another episode of Kicking Asphalt. It is actually Christmas morning, so I know it'll be a couple days after when you see it, but Merry Christmas. So we're going to do a little bit of the Christmas activities. Let you check in on Fred and Mama Judy, who've been fighting the flu just like everybody else seems to be in America. I myself have apparently taken enough vitamins and Jack Daniels to be able to fight it off. So it's a plus for me, but the ones of you that's watching this are sick. I hope you get to feeling better soon. But they're on the mend now. Mama Judy sounds horrible, but we'll go get a word with her in a second. And then off to go work on the race car. Y'all know how that goes. So some deviled eggs down the hatch, and we'll be headed that way. All right, Mama Judy, it is Christmas Day. Got your matching pajamas on. You got us. You've been a little bit under the weather, but you're feeling better now. So, hey, we about to go back racing for another time. Got the car put back together. Tell everybody what you've been up to.
Nothing, just working and being sick.
Hey, I'm about to say, your voice goes quick when that sick. Fred got you, was the one that got you sick.
Fred's been sick for about 2 weeks, y'all, so thanks for the prayers.
Now he's better. He's back to griping and complaining.
Better. He's back to Fred's self. He still has a bad cough, but he's back to Fred's self.
Well, tell everybody you hope they had a Merry Christmas out there and spend time with the family. You got to.
Yes, to me, that is the most important thing, is to spend time with your family, and hope everyone had a Merry Christmas.
Well, we get in here and wait on Fred to get in here real cold and wet. So we're about to make the about an hour and 45 today, with it being Christmas Day, the traffic and all the weather going on. So once Fred's ready, hop in here. We'll get, 85 on there. Well, it may be 65 on 85. So like I said, real wet and a lot of traffic. Maybe a lot of traffic today. I don't know. We'll find out, but let's get going to find out. Well, it's raining Cody on this Christmas Day that Santa Claus brought this bad weather in. We're going to get on here and do a little bit of that 55 on 85 up to Easily, South Carolina. Go work on the race car. Look, they got a caution down here on the right. We'll ease on by and keep digging. My little old quick trip up I-85 to the exit with no problems at all with much traffic. Most people celebrating the holly jolly holiday. Make the big hard right turn like Sears Point. When them turn 11, we'll pull over here to the quick and trip, get us a little push water to get us up and down the road. Rolled on up in here. All these other people out traveling today. I reckon nobody stays home on Christmas no more. Grab us a little push water. Gas $2.78 a gallon here on the East Coast. Throat a little scratchy. I hope I ain't getting what they got. I'm gonna go in there and get me a slushy. Y'all know how we do it. Round up 22-22. Get us 22 more trips down the road. At least that's my theory. Gosh, it's cold. Let's get back in the car. Got me one of them big orange Slurpee creamsicle. I got the sore throat myself. Been fighting it off on Fred. Mama Judy was sick. Hope I ain't coming down with it. Ain't got time. We got a race car to get ready. Made it on up the dreary, weary road here, almost to the shop now. Hang us a quick U-turn, cut some of these folks off, and we'll be there. We have made it to the shop. Fred's cough still acting, aggravating him there a little bit, but it's about gone. Let's get in here and show y'all the rear clip. Got finished up since the last video. Damn door's gonna shut on me. Hey, man. What you doing? Your daddy done that.
Yeah.
Did Santa Claus come see you?
Yeah.
What all did he get you?
Yeah. And he's going to get me
Show Fred your monster truck.
Oh. What?
Show Fred your monster truck.
Okay. Fred, where can I go?
Yeah. Who's that?
That's Steve.
Thought you like Gravedigger.
Good. He has funny.
Uh-oh, he already flipped.
He has funny tracks. I have a great bigger one.
What else you get for Christmas?
Funny track. He pops Lily.
Your pops a Willie.
Yeah.
Does this one, that one is pop. Don't knock your fruit bar, your Hawaiian punch over. What else you get for Christmas? You got a four-wheeler.
Freaking dump truck.
I did see the dump truck. Your daddy sent me a picture of it. What about your four-wheeler?
Oh yeah, it's
You
not
like it?
for Christmas.
Oh, it ain't wasn't for Santa Claus didn't bring it?
It was just from the
It just popped up?
yeah. And
Was
I just took the wheel off of it.
Did you tell your daddy to get off of it when he was riding?
No,
He too big for it.
no.
couldn't find the bracket off the leaf spring, so we gotta come down here and rob one of them. Figure out what size I need first. Go get the ratchet, get that took off. We'll be able to throw that back on, get the rear end back in. Hopefully Tyler gonna finish clip up. Me and Fred can get the rear end back in, shocks mounted back up. 5-star opens tomorrow or the next day, so hopefully we can be done and ready to hopefully go practice Anderson by New Year's Day. At least that's the hope. Fingers crossed. Wish in one hand and loop in the other. Took that other one, the bent one, off to replace it with this one we just got, so we robbing Peter to pay Paul. All right, she's on there and working good. Might not be the best looking thing, but it'll work. Got a good ways to go once we get the back done. Ain't no quitting us. Ain't gonna be back to work January 2nd. A lot of quick trip Slurpees, and we'll be ready. Rear clip come back together good. Tyler done a hell of a job. I got the other trailing arm back on. I took a pop knot to the head, but it's on. Put the fuel cell back in now. Get it welded back up. Tyler got to go back to work tomorrow, so he finished up his welding on a mighty fine job. Now me and Fred trying to slide this rear end back in. We put a 567 in to go to Dillon. So now we're trying to slide it back in. A little bit of problems right now. A little bit of that spit on it and try. We'll get it in there. Well, I thought we was going to get it in, but we ended up having to take the gear back out and the axles back out. But we got the rear end in, so we'll put everything back together while it's under there. So made a little progress. At least we got the rear end in. Somewhat.
If somebody wrecks this son of a bitch at Dillon, somebody better come bail me out of jail, because somebody's going to jail. I know I am. There's bullshit right here. I tell any other drives a race car. And if I don't think Fred tells it like it is, they got another thing coming.
Boy, oh boy, Fred was wound up last night. We done skipped ahead a day. So it's the next day. I don't know what day it is. It's in between Christmas and we ain't gonna go back till after New Year, so I don't know what day it is. But it's another day. We're gonna head to the parts store, get us some sheet metal so we can make some fenders. We don't think we're gonna take the chance with 5-star and ordering fenders because you don't know, they don't open again till tomorrow. Hell, it may take 3 days, 4 days to get here, business days, and we ain't got that much time. So we're gonna go get some sheet metal. We got a list of other parts we gotta get. We're gonna get all that stuff, and y'all go along with us. Another day, and it's still raining here in the great state of Georgia. Put a little wiper there, that way we can see going up the road. We'll get moving on down through here, get us a little breakfast, and over to the race shop, get the parts that we need. I didn't video all the parts we got. I bought Fred to the Longhorn, get him a good lunch, give him a good pork chop. So we're gonna eat and get on down the road. Yeah, we got back from eating. It's still raining like crazy. We're gonna take both these noses with us up there. We can make a good one out of one of them. So got our bellies full. Now we're about to head that way. Still raining. 4x8 sheet. You gotta give it the pull and say, I ain't going nowhere. There it is. It sure as hell ain't going nowhere now. Back for day 2 on a dreary, rainy day. Fred wheeling it in his F-150. Grab a gear and get going a little bit. That 85, well, Fred driving me 95 on 85. Maybe our noses won't blow out the back, but we're headed that way. We made it on up here to the back roads, getting close to Easley. Finally seen, hadn't Seen something with no rain, first time in a few days. I can get it out in a second. Hadn't seen the no rain in a few days, so it's nice to see that. But we're gonna drop nose piece off at the shop. We're gonna shoot over to a metal shop that's open since Christmas over with and get us some sheet metal, get some 22 gauge, make us some fenders out of instead of trying to play the waiting UPS game with 5 Star because they don't open back up till tomorrow. So it's always nice not to be raining and be able to see where you're going for once, over past the Christmas weekend. We rode over here to K-Tech, right outside Easley, and got us some 4x8 sheets of 22 gauge. We've been struggling all day in Georgia, and we found it in South Carolina, though, $22 a sheet. A little surface rust on it. He knocked a little price off of it. Got us 2 sheets, make us fenders out of. All right, now we're back to the shop. Get to working on this thing. Still got a little daylight ahead of us. Hopefully get a bunch done tonight. Be nice to get everything on. At least get the tail on. Not gonna complain about anything. Tyler finishing up the rear. I got the gear in. Everything ready. Got to put the new transmission in. Hopefully have the bumper cover on here shortly. All right, we got the clip finished up now. My old baby's shining pretty. Old T-Wood did a heck of a job. We're about to start popping body panels on now. Put some quarter panels on, tail pieces. Brad's gonna make some fenders. We'll be in business. I took the tail back off. Now we're putting the back glass and the quarter panel on. Got the back half on. Attention to the front tomorrow.
This yours?
Well, that's going to put an end to the video. We made it back safe to Jefferson, Georgia. I know I didn't get that much videoing done, but it's kind of crunch time, so didn't have much time to hold the video camera. Need to be doing stuff. So ended up ordering a new nose. So it should be here hopefully by Saturday. We decided not to use one of those other noses. Brad's gonna make fenders from the sheet metal that we got at K-Tech, and gonna put the motor, or not the motor, gosh, that'd be horrible. Gonna put a new transmission and a new drive shaft in, and hopefully that'll be it. I'm sure we'll run along to some problems along the way, but hopefully we can get it done, and hopefully, by some gracious miracle from the Lord, we'll be able to go to, hopefully to Anderson and just make sure everything works before we make the long trip over to Dillon Motor Speedway for the New Year's Bash. But can't thank everybody enough, Tyler, Brad, Bailey, Fred, for just giving up time, Tyler giving up time with his new baby, you know, at home for try to help me get to the New Year's Bash. So good time with all the fellas, but gonna do something that we haven't been getting a lot of, and that's I'm gonna go to bed and get some sleep. But thank y'all for watching. I'll try to make another video, you know, with us finishing everything up. Thank everybody for the support. It's been great. Hell, if we don't make New Year's Bash, well, at least we know we had about 1 million good luck wishes. So thank y'all very much. Hope everybody had a great Christmas. New Year's is coming up. Be careful. Have you a driver. If I don't see you again, go out, enjoy yourself. Show your butt a little bit, but make sure to find you a driver to get home safe. So other than that, y'all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Take care.